you, let's acknowledge the presence of GMA's Vice President for Corporate Affairs and Communications. Let's welcome Ms. Angel Javier Cruz. Ms. Angel. Eka Abaya of GMA International.
Hi, good afternoon.
It's very interesting for us to see is that this format, traveling in 76 countries and kids reaching 48 countries, never ceases to amaze us. And we had battle recordings yesterday, and I can't say, but we had a certain battle, and I think I see the coaches nodding. There was no one left in the studio with dry eyes. The quality combined with the passion and the emotion. The little boy we're talking about is like 7 or 8 years old. And you see the kids are so determined to show their passion. It's really heartwarming to see.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
One last from Mr. Jake Napoles of GMA Web.
Hey, good afternoon po. Yung question ko po para kay Miss Gigi. Okay. Following the success of The Voice Generations, how different is the experience?
The overall format is the same, right? Actually, I asked Hug na kanina kung ano yung difference. So, he said, the main difference is, di ba? So, it's the stories that you tell that are different. You tell the stories of families versus you tell the stories of the kids. Iba yung emotions na makukuha mo, parang yung dreams ng mga bata na gusto mo i-support, you want to, that's what we are highlighting, di ba? Yung stories nila, ba't nila ginagawa to? Ano yung nakakapagpasaya sa kanila? Yan. So, yun yung focus na nakikita namin na main difference niya, but I think the show itself, the format itself, is really all about allowing the talents to pursue their dreams. So,
Thank you po.
All right, that's a wrap for our Q&A. Thank you so much. To our media friends, thank you for your questions. At palakpakan po natin ang ating mga coaches and of course our host. They've been so generous with their answers today. All right, but before we let everybody go, again, hashtag for today is hashtag The Voice Kids MediaCon. All right, before we officially end the program, let's get a quick message from our coaches and hosts. We'll begin.
Thank you again po so much for coming and for spending your time with us. I hope you are excited with The Voice Kids as much as we are. So, sana po ay abangan po ninyo at supportahan po natin at tangkilikin natin ang sariling atin. Dahil, syempre, yung mga kabataan ngayon talagang kaabang-abang mga ipapakita na ng mga performances at kanilang mga talento to The Voice Kids. And abangan niyo po yan, malapit na po.
Next, katulad ng sinabi ni Coach Julie, please abangan nyo this coming September 15. And note, sa lahat ng mga fans ng SB19, birthday kasi ni Pablo sa September 14. Kaya the day after, let's all celebrate watching at 7 p.m. The Voice Kids. So, there you go. And abangan nyo po, sobrang humble ng mga coaches dito. Hindi po kami nag-aasaran. Sobra.
Amazing.
Promise.
I love you, coaches.
I love you too. Mamaya na tayo mag-usap.
Katulad po ng sinasabi ng other coaches, please po, abangan nyo po ang The Voice Kids. Super excited po kami dito dahil talagang masaya tong season na to for sure dahil we are dealing with kids and sana po supportahan nyo po hindi lang ang show of course pati po ang mga talented kids natin. We are very excited. The Voice Kids every Sunday po yan 7 p.m. Maraming salamat po. Okay.
Pablo.
Po lahat, gusto ko lang po pasalamatan ulit yung lahat ng bumubuo ng The Voice Kids. For me, this is a very great opportunity talaga na to improve myself and syempre to grow with the kids na matuturuan po namin. And salamat din sa lahat ng coaches. For sure, may enjoy din ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Ang sobrang talentadong mga Pinay na ito. And yun po, maraming salamat po. Abangan niyo po ang The Voice Kids. Ulitin ko lang po, September 15 na po yan, every 7 p.m. ng Sunday. Salamat po.
Thank you, Pablo. Mr. Dingdong Dantes.
Yeah, so alam niyo po, bilang host, mapalad ako, sobrang saya ko na kasama ko sa show na ito, ang napaka-talented na mga coaches na ito. Alam ko na kahit hindi naman ako kino-coach nila, kahit pa paano marami akong matututunan sa kanila. Kahit hindi naman din ako singer, baka pagkatapos ito maging singer na rin ako dahil sa mga nakukuha ko sa kanila. Hindi ako tinanong kanina, nag-audition din ako noon nung bata ako sa pagkanta. Pero talagang sabi na, hindi, sa acting ka na lang, sa acting ka na. Pero anyway, seriously, I really look forward to learning so much from these talented individuals. Pero alam kong mas magiging excited ang mga manonood dahil, at ako rin, dahil masasaksihan nila ang pagkamit ng pangarap nito mga batang ito through The Voice Kids. Kaya maraming salamat for a program like this na magiging platform at vehicle sa pagtupad ng mga pangarap ng ating mga kabataan. Kaya thank you very much, Enya. September 15, ang The Voice Kids, alas 7 ng gabi.
They've said already, The Voice Kids, this September 15, 7:05 p.m. on GMA Network. Maraming salamat din po sa ating mga kaibigan mula sa media for joining us here this afternoon. Hashtag for today is hashtag The Voice Kids MediaCon if you guys are planning on posting on your social media accounts. And Global Pinoys can also catch it via GMA Pinoy TV. Palakpakan ulit po natin sila. September 15, 7:05 p.m. on GMA. So, this has been Mark Rivera saying thank you, but wait a minute, one last photo walk with our coaches and host before we leave. All right, so our coaches and hosts are all here on stage already. So let's start with the questions. We'll begin with Sir Don Cernino of Abante.
Okay, magandang hapon.
And it's coming up next with Sir Robert Regentina of the Manila Bulletin. Sir Robert.
Bob, yung kabab.
Magandang hapon po. Okay, common question lang sa lahat. I'm sure kapag may nakikita kayong mga bata na nagpe-perform, naaalala niyo yung mga kabataan niyo when you were just starting a show. When you were just starting the show, it's like, naiyak ba kayo or nagtampo, something like that dahil lang meron kayo hindi mga nagustuhan?
Heart TV.
Hello, good afternoon po. Ang question ko kay Quiz Blin.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. First of all, congratulations for The Voice Kids.
Hi, good afternoon to everyone. May question na for Pablo. So, pakwento lang Pablo, yung reaction mo.
Alright, next let's have a photo with the executives who are present here in the MediaCon. Ms. Gigi, Ms. Ruth as well. Sir Hoob, yeah, from ITV Studios. Please join our coaches and hosts